Hey guys, welcome back to Suzuki. I'm Angel.
Steven.
Today, we're gonna finish up the suspension.
Today?
No, not today. Today we're gonna take the bed off. Right? First we gotta scoot this truck up, unzip some nuts and bolts and take some sides off, get a bed off.
Let's get to it.
Okay.
Alright, so Angel is He-Man. She, whatever it is. I don't even know. Ura. Remember her?
Yeah.
I got this off, and this is what I always say, no rust. When you say no rust for a bunch of old-ass Japanese people, you're always going to have some of this surface stuff. She is going to be cleaning this up and painting it on the underside so we can avoid any more damage. I don't think it's very bad at all. This needs a little bit of work. Wire wheel that and then paint that also. Everything else looks pretty good. It's dirty. I might roll it outside and clean off some of the grime. But it looks pretty good otherwise. There's no rust on the frame. And again, we're talking about like that rust is almost on top of the paint. We're gonna clean all that up, paint all that. Get this stupid spare tire out of here. We don't need that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get my little angle finder and put it on that diff, and then we are ready to start this four link. That was pretty good for today, huh?
Yeah, it was good.
I think that went faster than expected.
It definitely did, but it's like when you're kind of getting sick, and you exert that energy, it's like, okay, it's break time.
All right, you ready to go eat?
Yeah. Hey guys, all right, welcome back to day 2. Today we're gonna finish up some stuff. Steven's been not able to walk with this back injury, so today we have the back brace on and we're trying to do some things, take it a little slower, but today we're going to do some measuring. What else?
Probably pull the wheels off, level the frame, and pull the leaf springs off.
Let's get to it.
Yay.
stuff. Made a list with everything we're gonna do. Don't make fun of my opinion.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.